Welcome back. You're watching Brand Equity and I'm Sonali Krishna. Now, Birla Sun Life Insurance has just released its latest positioning campaign called Khud Ko Kar Buland. The brand, through this campaign, attempts to remind us of life's harsh realities that no one can predict the future. This emotional campaign does indeed strike a chord, but does it work for the brand? 10 leading marketers tell us just that on the final verdict. Take it away.
अतुल, आशु को ऑटिज्म है. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ डेवलपमेंट डिसऑर्डर. इसका कोई इलाज तो नहीं है, पर ट्रीटमेंट से कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट जरूर हो सकती है.
आशु के बारे में सुना, मैं कुछ मदद करूं?
थैंक यू सर.
हटो बच्चा लोग, हटो.
आशु बेटा, खा लो.
ऑमलेट.
ठीक है बाबा, ऑमलेट. ऑमलेट.
तो आशु, स्कूल के लिए रेडी ना?
ऑमलेट. ऑमलेट.
नो आशु, आइसक्रीम. कितना?
चॉकलेट. आइसक्रीम.
आइसक्रीम.
देखिए आशु स्मार्ट है, उसे फायदा जरूर होगा इस कोर्स का. हाँ, कोर्स थोड़ा महंगा है लेकिन
आप फॉर्म तैयार रखिए.
ठीक है.
देखिए, पूरा यूनिट ही बंद हो रहा है. आप अपना अपना हिसाब कल आके कर लीजिए. अतुल.
हाँ सर.
आई एम रियली सॉरी.
माँ?
लेट. ऑलवेज लेट. वेरी लेट.
कल से लेट नहीं होगा बेटा, क्योंकि कल से आशु का नया स्कूल होगा और उसके पापा का नया बिजनेस. और कुछ?
ऑमलेट.
रोनी को आप रोक नहीं सकते, पर होनी भी आपको कहां रोक सकेंगी. अपनों को, अपने सपनों को करो सुरक्षित. बिरला सन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, खुद को कर बुलंद.
My verdict on Birla Sun Life's new ad Khud Ko Kar Buland is a resounding thumbs up, and essentially because I am really happy to see the insurance category start to engage with the real issues that the insurance products are supposed to help us address as consumers, and I look forward to the whole category blossoming with other examples like this where we stop pussyfooting and beating around the bush and go straight to the heart of the issues that must be made visible to the end consumer of the insurance product category.
My take on the Birla Sun Life commercial, a thumbs down. The reason why, needlessly melodramatic, too long, and I think overtly emotional. The point could have been made far more briefly and succinctly. The only saving grace though is that it plays off the core line very well.
For me, the Birla Sun Life new television commercial is a thumbs up. Well, it's a expected setup, very emotional. You have a lot of empathy. Basically, the communication exhorts you and tells you to be strong to face life's challenges.
My verdict on the new Birla Sun Life Insurance Khud Ko Kar Buland commercial is it's a thumbs up. This insurance ad attempts to draw a divide, a psychographic divide between two kinds of people. The first, who succumb to the circumstances that life throws at them, and the second, which in spite of the circumstances that life has thrown to them, plows on and makes the most, in fact much more than most, of their circumstances and the misfortunes that came with it.
My verdict for the latest TVC of Birla Sun Life Insurance, Khud Ko Kar Buland, is a thumbs up. The beauty of the long format advertising is that it helps consumers engage with the content in the most non-intrusive manner. Coming to this piece of Birla Sun Life Insurance, I think it's a very, very well executed TVC, a story beautifully told.
My verdict on the Aditya Birla Sun Life Khud Ko Buland campaign is a thumbs up. I think it's a realistic piece of storytelling, nice, easy-paced, relaxed narrative, great casting, true to life acting, and very realistic situations. Nice, warm, friendly feeling, and stays true to life right till the end.
My verdict on new Birla Sun Life Insurance film is a thumbs up. It's a very emotional film and very nicely done. How it's different from others, and that's something that I like really about this film, or the idea behind this creative, is that it doesn't really bank on fear for selling insurance, and that's something that makes it different from others.
My verdict for the new TVC by Birla Sun Life Insurance is a thumbs up. It's a very emotionally charged ad. It's a human story which we all want to see. It's something which engages us, and you want to see what really happens in the end.
The new Birla Sun Life Insurance TV advertisement, Khud Ko Kar Buland, I've had to think a lot about it because I'm not sure for me whether it's a clear thumbs up or a clear thumbs down. Eventually I've decided to stay with the thumbs up. I think the context is quite interesting of obviously a single father who's left with an autistic child, and therefore notionally at least it takes me in a direction where I can see a logic for what the brand is promising.
My verdict on the Birla Sun Life Insurance TV commercial Khud Ko Kar Buland is thumbs down. Reasons for it's too long a commercial. The story unfolds at the end of 3 minutes. People come to know about the product at the end of 3 minutes that it's an insurance product.
Not bad at all. An 8 out of 10 peer rating is something that both the agency and the client should be very happy about. And with that, we wrap it up right here on Brand Equity. We'd love to hear from you. So do write in to brandequity@etnow.tv, or alternatively log on to our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/brandequity to dip into our archives or simply start a conversation with us. You could do the same on Twitter @BrandEquityLive. Hope you enjoyed the show. I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Until then, sayonara.
That I got the speed and I'm driven, I'm reaching the peak and the people are screaming that I am the meanest. I speak for the dreamers.